Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to remove the Google Assistant from the power button on Motorola phones. So now if you push it long on the side key, the Google Assistant will be open, but I don't want to do this. I want when I push the power button to see the power off menu. So to remove the Google Assistant, just go to all settings, here there are, and here go down and we have here gestures. Okay, and now go down and we have here press and hold power button. Now just tap to go inside. And now as you can see it's selected digital assistant, and to remove it and to have access to the power menu just select this option and now exit, and let's press the power button, and as you can see now I have access to the power off menu, and you can restart, call to emergency, or power off your phone. So it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful and see you to the next.